Jai Narayan student, welcome back here. Now, I hope you full enjoy summer vacations and stay home, stay safe and stay healthy. But keep learning. Now, I think are you follow this rule SMS. SMS. S means soap, M means marks, and S means social distance. Now, this topic is drainage. Now start. But myself, Nidhi Lal, today I discuss for drainage. First of all, this topic is drainage is related to the math subject because it's the size, shape, color, and shape all our main features made of river like this topic is related to the maths also, and geography also because the place here mentioned, this is the places also clear कि which place. So this topic is related to the history also, maths also, and English also because this topic is related to the essay related work. So drainage, what is drainage? Drainage means, today we'll start the drainage chapter. To what term the drainage? The term of drainage describe the river system of an area is known as drainage. Drainage means that is clear कि the river system of area is called drainage, and the world largest drainage basin is of Amazon river. सबसे मेन लार्जेस्ट रिवर ड्रेनेज बेसिन में कौन सी है? अमेजोन रिवर इन साउथ अमेरिका, वेयर आज in India it is of a Ganga river system. Are you know that कि this system is start as the Bhagirathi system and headquarter of Ganga and from the Gangotri glacier in Uttarakhand. So it is the joined by the Alaknanda river at Devprayag to form the Ganga. Its length is over 25 kilometer. So this topic again repeated कि what is drainage? The term of drainage describe the river system of an area. Now this topic only related only definitions and basins, but note this reduce the syllabus. So only your syllabus is describes your syllabus only the map based question like river system and lakes, not a explanation and definition. But this chapter is starting, तो आई थिंक कि इसको हमें मतलब इट इज़ द एक्सप्लेनेशन इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट कि बिकॉज दिस चैप्टर इज कनेक्टेड टू what you mean by drainage and what you mean by drainage basin. तो first of all discuss, but note down कि only this chapter is only base the map skill questions like that the river and lakes. Now, main rivers. What is the main rivers tributary? River system consists of a one main river and several small rivers that join the main river. So the main river, the Ganga river system, and now just like example, this system start as the Bhagirathi and headquarter of Ganga from the Gangotri glacier in Uttarakhand. So it is the joined by the Alaknanda rivers at Devprayag to from the Ganga. Its length is over 2500 kilometers. Like that example for at Haridwar, the Ganga emerges from the mountains on to the plains. It is a major tributaries. It is the major tributaries are Yamuna, Ghagra, Gandak and Koshi. तो दिस इज द मेन रिवर. क्लियर डैट? मेन रिवर का एग्जाम्पल अभी आपको मैंने मेंशन किया. नेक्स्ट है सर्वर एग्जाम्पल. सर्वर द स्मॉल रिवर. तो दस फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एग्जाम्पल द इंडस रिवर. तो द इंडस रिवर rises from China, Tibet near Mansarovar Lake. It flow the westernwards and enters the India in the Ladakh district of Jammu and Kashmir. So several tributaries like the Jaskar, Nubra and join in the Kashmir region. So the Indus flow through the Baltician and Gilgit and emerges from the mountain at Atop. So the Satluj, Beas, Ravi, Chenab, Jhelum join together the Indus and near the in Pakistan also. Clear? So are you know that कि longest river is the it has the total length 2900 kilometer and it is one of the longest river of the world, Indus river. Clear that? And The Ganga river is length is 2500 kilometer. So Ganga river length is its length is over 2500 kilometer, and Indus it has a total length of 2900 kilometer, and it is the one of the longest river of the world. So are you know that ki river system is consists of main rivers, just like example for Ganga, and several small rivers is joined to the main river to Indus river. So this see the diagram, main river and tributaries. तो you can see that. Next आते हैं हम लोग drainage basin. What is the drainage basin? So first of all, any elevated area such as mountain or an upland separate two drainage basin is called water divided. So for example, Ambla is located on the water divided of the Indus and Ganga drainage basin. So what is the drainage basin? So drainage basin, the area drained by a single river system. The area drained by a single river system is called drainage basin. Now स्टार्ट द नेक्स्ट क्लास हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे रिवर सिस्टम. तो आज हमने इसका ओनली इंट्रोडक्शन किया कि क्या है, कैसे है ड्रेनेज, बट योर सिलेबस ओनली नोट रिवर सिस्टम एंड लेक. बट I think this topic is related to the chapter for drainage. So first of all, explain the what is drainage and water divided, what is the drainage basin, because mention this pattern. So next class I discuss for river system.